Hey everyone! Today, let's explore how artificial intelligence, or AI, is a part of your daily routine, often without you even knowing it. AI powers smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They use voice recognition to set reminders, play music, or even control your smart home devices, just by understanding your voice commands. On platforms like Instagram or TikTok, AI algorithms curate your feed by analyzing your behavior, likes, shares, comments, to show you the most relevant content and ads, keeping you engaged. When you shop on Amazon, AI suggests products based on your browsing history. For commuting, apps like Google Maps use AI to provide real-time traffic updates and the quickest routes. AI helps smart home devices like thermostats learn your preferences and adjust settings. In fitness, wearables like Fitbit use AI to monitor your activity and offer health tips. So AI is everywhere, making life easier, more personalized, and efficient. Want to learn more? Follow for more quick tech insights. Thanks for watching.